Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Guitar Tutorial. I am Jithin Abraham. My job is to teach you guys guitar in 45 days. Yes, my dear friends, all my followers will be capable enough to learn guitar in 45 days, and that's my challenge. So, in our previous tutorial, we have learned what is C major scale, how to play C major scale. I have given you one full octave of C major scale, and I have given you two exercises based on C major scale. The first exercise was triangle and the second exercise was grouping of notes. Today, in this video lecture, we are going to learn two octaves of C major scale. The difference is, in our previous lecture, we had learned only one octave of C major scale. Now we'll be learning two octave of C major scale. Let's see. The first octave is very much familiar for you guys. It's very simple. It starts from the fifth string, 5-3. 5-3 is your C note, and starting from that C note, you just have to proceed C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. This was your first octave. So I'm proceeding with the second octave. Second octave starts from the very last note of your first octave. That is C note. That's your second string, first fret. After that, D. It's pretty clear that you guys are very much familiar with the fret chart. If you're not familiar, please refer to my previous tutorials, tutorial number 4. There I've mentioned the fret chart. I've given the link in the description below. Please follow the tutorials and then come to this tutorial. Then only you'll be able to properly follow what I'm trying to say. Okay. After C, the next note is C sharp, which is not coming under our C major scale. That's why we'll prefer to go for D. So after C, that is second string, first fret, the D note comes at second string itself, third fret. That's your D. Then E is your first string open note. So you have to play first string without playing any fret. Okay. Then comes F, which is your first string, first note. I'll play till now. It is C, D, E, F. After F, the next note is G, which is at a full note, which means after first fret of the first string, you'll have to press the third fret of first string. That's your G. F. After F, at a distance of full note, you'll find your G note. After G, obviously there is no string to go below first string, so you'll have to proceed further on the first string. Okay, how to proceed further? It is after G, obviously the next note is A, which is again at a full note distance from G, so you'll have to, after 3, you'll have to press 5th fret. Now how do we press? We just have to simply shift our position. Till now, whatever I've taught you is based on the first position. First position means your index finger will be at the first fret. Accordingly, your second finger will be at the second fret. Third finger will be on the third fret. Fourth finger will be on the fourth fret. This is called as first position. After, in order to play fifth note, that is fifth fret, you'll have to shift this position from first index finger from the first fret to fifth fret. This is called as fifth position. In this case, you'll have to see that your first finger should be used to play 5th fret, second finger should be used to play 6th fret, third finger must be used to play 7th fret, fourth finger must be used to play 8th fret. So we were on the A note now. Previously G was at 3rd fret, first string. Now A will be at 5th fret, first string itself. This will be your A. Then B. B is at again a full note distance, therefore you'll have to leave a space in between. So don't use your second finger to go to 7th fret. Instead, you have already assigned your fingers. Your second finger is supposed to be on the 6th fret. Your third finger is supposed to be on the 7th fret. So use your third finger itself. So 5th fret shall be played with the first finger, and the 7th fret shall be played with your third finger. That will be your B. And then finally, after B, at a half note distance, you will find C, which is supposed to be on the 8th fret, which you'll have to play with your fourth finger. So your fourth finger should be used to play C note. Again, I'm playing the same sequence. It is A. Then third finger you have to use to play B. Then fourth finger you have to use to play C. I'm playing the whole second octave. Only second octave I am playing. It is C, second, it's on the second string, D, then going to the first string, then remaining every note, whatever note I'm going to play after D will be on the first string itself. Again, starting from C, it's D, then E, F, G, A, B, C. It's like that. I'll play the whole 2 octaves, double octave, continuously without a break. I've already told you, practice in such a way that you maintain a tempo. Doesn't have to be a higher speed. Play at a lower speed, that is totally fine, but you make sure that you maintain your speed throughout your playing. It's like C, D. So immediately you have to shift. Again, I'm playing for you guys. It is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Shift. Like this. Then again come back in the descending order. It's shift. So this is your C major scale, double octave. Make sure that you practice this very well, okay? Maintain a constant tempo and do not stop only in practicing C major double octave scale. I've given you 2 exercises based on single octave, that is, one is triangle and the other one is grouping of notes. Try to apply triangle, at least triangle, on 2 octaves as well. Obviously, you can do that. Starting from one note, then single octave triangle, then coming to double octave triangle. Try to perform that. That will help you to increase your finger efficiency. I hope this tutorial was fruitful for you guys. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.